हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 हिस्ट्री का 10 चैप्टर द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द मराठा पावर, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द मीनिंग। उसमें फर्स्ट है चौथाई। आंसर, एनी पावर entitled to collect one fourth of the revenue from other territories is called चौथाई। Second, Sardeshmukhi. Answer is the right of any power to collect one tenth of the revenue acquiring from the other territories is called Sardeshmukhi. Question 2a. Write the answer in one word. First A. Balaji was from this town in Kopan. Answer is Srivardhan. Second, he ruled Delkhand. Answer is Raja Chatras. 3. Bajirao died at this place. Answer is Ravirkhed. 4. He defected the Portuguese. Answer is Chimaji Appa. थर्ड क्वेश्चन से राइट अबाउट देम इन योर ओन वर्ड। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। फर्स्ट है कान्होजी आंग्रे। आंसर है कान्होजी आंग्रे was the chief of the Maratha Navy. Second, initially he was supported of Maharani Tarabai and attacked the territory of Shahu Maharaj. Shahu Maharaj sent Balaji Vishwanath to tackle Kanoji Agre. Balaji Vishwanath avoided the war and convinced Kanoji Angre to join the side of Shahu Maharaj. Second है the Battle of Palkhed. Answer है Nizam ul Mulk was the Mughal Subedar of Deccan. He tried to establish his separate existence at Hyderabad. He was opposed to grant of Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi rights of Deccan to the Marathas. He captured some parts of Pune Pargana. Bajirao decided to checkmate the Nizam. 6. Bajirao army defeated Nizam's army in the Battle of Palkhed near Aurangabad. Thereafter, the Nizam accepted the rights of Marathas to collect Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi. Third है Balaji Vishwanath. Answer. First, Balaji Vishwanath, who hailed from Srivardhan in the Kopan, was very competent and experienced. Second, he convinced many Sardars the Shahu Maharaj were the real heir of the Marathas empire. Third, Shahu Maharaj appointed Balaji Vishwanath as Peshwa. He tactfully avoided war with Kanoji Agre and won over him to the side of Shahu Maharaj. 3. He strengthened the position of Shahu Maharaj in Maharashtra and east the north. 6. With the help of Sayyid brothers, he obtained the sanadas of Chauthai and Shardashmukhi of the Mughal territory in Deccan from the Mughal emperor. Fourth है Balajirao. Answer. Balajirao's I was appointed at the Peshwa in 1720 CE by Shahu Maharaj the death of father Balaji Vishwanath. Second, he defeated the Nizam Ulugh in the Battle of Palkhed and made him accept the right of Marathas to collect Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. Third, he decided to expand the Maratha power in the north and dispatch Mallara Holkar, Ranoji Shinde and Udaji Pawar in the expedition to Malwa under the leadership of his brother Chimaji Appa. Fourth, he defended Muhammad Khan Bangash and restored the kingdom of Bundelkhand to Chhatrasat. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। फिफ्थ है he defeated the Nizam in the battle at Bhopal and made him agree to get the Subedari of Malwa for the Marathas from the Mughal emperor. 6. Bajirao sent his brother Shimajappa to subdue the Portuguese. बाकी का आंसर आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं। फोर्थ है गिव रीजन, उसमें फर्स्ट है टू सेपरेट मराठा स्टेट वेयर फ्रॉम। आंसर इज टू सेपरेट मराठा स्टेट वेयर फ्रॉम बिकॉज after the release of Shahu Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai refused to accept his claim on the throne. After defeating Maharani Tarabai in the Battle of Khed, Shahu Maharaj captured Satara and crowned himself as Chhatrapati. Third, Satara became the capital of the Maratha kingdom. Fourth, Tarabai proclaimed her minor son Shivaji II as Chhatrapati at Panhala in 1710. Second है Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody. Answer: Azam Shah released Shahu Maharaj from his custody because he believed that the release of Shahu Maharaj would lead to conflict between him and Maharani Tarabai for the Gadi of the Maratha Chhatrapati. This would sap the strength of Marathas. Third है Delhi needed the help from the Marathas. Answer: the Mughal Empire was under the threat of the Irani and the Afghani invasion from the northwest. Second, the local Rajput, Jat, Rohillas and local Pathan rulers also posed a threat to the empire. Third, the internal competition and tools in the court weakened the Mughals' power. Therefore, Delhi needed help from the Marathas.
Thanks for watching video. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.